Hey everybody, my name is Karina, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make some delicious frijoles charros. We're gonna start off by cooking our beans. I've set my pot to medium-high heat and I'm gonna add 6 cups of water. Next, we add 1 pound of beans. I'm using pinto beans. And I'm also gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we cover it up and cook for about an hour and a half. While we wait for the beans to cook, I'm gonna dice half of a small white onion, 1 jalapeño, and we're gonna get rid of the seeds, 2 roma tomatoes, and I'm also gonna cut into smaller pieces half a pound of bacon. And last, I'm gonna slice 3 weenies. I've set my pan to medium heat and I'm gonna start cooking the bacon. We're gonna keep moving it around until it fries. After about 5 minutes, we add in the weenies and cook until they brown. Once the weenies have browned, we're gonna add in the chorizo, but first we're gonna remove some of the excess oil. And I'm using half a pound of chorizo. I'm gonna break it down. Once it's broken down, we mix it all with the rest. It's fully mixed and now we're gonna add in the onion and the jalapeño. Mix it all in and cook for about a minute. Now we add the tomatoes and mix once more. Okay, it's now ready and this is how it should look. Now I'm gonna turn it off and set it to the side. It's been an hour and 45 minutes and we're gonna check on our beans. Okay, they're ready, and as you can see, the way to find out is you can easily smash. If you can easily smash one, it means it's ready. Now we add in all the mixture. We mix it in. We add in a small bunch of cilantro. Cover it up and cook for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and our frijoles charros are ready. Look at how delicious they look. They smell super good. And now I'm gonna serve myself a bowl. All right, guys, this is my favorite part. If you guys never tried beans like this, I suggest you try it. They're so good. They're still hot. Cheers. If you've never had beans like this, definitely try it. And there you have it, delicious frijoles charros.